The courts are guardians of the rule of law. We frown at any unlawful invasion of such property by anyone, no matter how highly placed. That point was made clear in the case of military governor of Lagos State and Chief Emeka Ojukwu in 1986 by the Supreme Court.
Chief Alfred Eghobamien, SAN, said comments made by the Edo State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Barrister Henry Edo Attorney General, that filing of notice of appeal and motion do not operate as stay of execution, noted that there are alternatives, as when a party files a motion for stay of execution, it operates as a stay pending when the application is heard by the court. He said his inquiries showed that there were proofs that counsel to University of Benin, Kola Okayaine, SAN, filed notice of appeal and motion for stay of execution, of which the Attorney General was served.
From my inquiries, there is evidence that Kola Ine, the senior advocate who conducted the case on behalf of UniBen, filed notice of appeal, filed motion for stay, and the Attorney General was served, and there is proof of service in the court file. In a civilized country, if what is said is proved to be wrong, he should resign honorably for misleading the members of the public.
Head of Chamber, Eghobamien law firm, Barrister Benjamin Ojuma, also questioned the rationale behind the state government going behind the court to execute judgment when it is supposed to obtain a warrant of possession or execution signed by the judge.
Every step taken by, in the course of the so-called execution is absolutely wrong. He said one point, he said he has not been served with the notice of appeal or the motion for stay of execution. The fact that he has not been served is not even an excuse. So long as they have been filed, insofar as they have been filed, whether you have been served or not, before execution is carried out, the court must look at the file, whether there is any subsequent processes filed by either of the parties after the judgment has been delivered.
Protests have continued to trail the demolition of the property. Kingsley Uchebu reporting.